Hello guys, today we're making a bobber on the wood lathe, and Lawson is going to be making it.
We just have a piece of pine, which that's just what's easily accessible, and it's about 1.5 inches square. So we'll just chuck it up in our wood lathe here. So I'm gonna switch this out. I'm just gonna eye it up because here, this is what it is. So now I'm just gonna eye it up. Just not a good way to do it, but this way I'm gonna do it. Alright, get it good and tight. And then we don't need this because it's a chuck. Get this a little bit closer. And we should be good to go. Use my skew. Now I'll use the skew to get it better finished. Way too thin.
You can do this side like a little bit longer, because then you can put like the way to attach the string to it.
Maybe.
Or
What
whatever,
do you mean?
whatever you can do. Just like make the stick right there a little bit longer on the other side.
Wouldn't be good. Should have used like birch or something. That's really sketchy.
Yeah, I think it looks.
Let's sand it. How about that? Sand it however you want it. And I can take out some more of those ruts if you want to.
I think it looks good.
Cool.
Yeah, I think that. Probably good.
Okay. You want to wax it? You want to grab that beeswax stuff? Yep. And I don't have a super good rag, just like something like this. So just rub some wax. Rub some wax on the wood. Here, I'll just show you what I mean. So just like do a thin little coat on it, and then you can use the rag to polish it.
Is there anything on there yet?
Yep. You gotta make another one.
Well,
There's that.
I mean, I guess that's like the main part of the bobber, right?
Yeah, I think it would still
Gonna
work.
whack it off. Wait, see the water?
Yeah, you could cut that off with a bandsaw.
Yeah.
And then, like, put a groove in this end, wrap your string around it, and maybe like tie it. Whatever you want to do, and then that should work. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, that's great.
All right.
We'll just start making another one.
Yep.
It's totally fine.
All right. So we got our gray spray paint and our blue spray paint. You can tell by the caps. I'm gonna spray them in at the exact same time. Now we're gonna paint his bobber. So, ready? Good. And now we'll try and successfully stir these. And I'm probably horrible at this, but we're giving it a shot. I'm gonna dip it. It's not that epic. Anyway, we'll just let that dry. Now he's got a gray and silver bobber. It's mostly like mixed, but it'll be alright.
The silver actually looks pretty cool on it.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It's a fun video. Hope you enjoyed.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.